Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can solve or fix error related to editing of your profile on Instagram. For example, if you have an error related to uploading or editing of your profile in Instagram, then you can easily solve this error by watching this video completely. Now if you want to solve that error, first of all you have to go back from Instagram and you have to open Play Store on your Android app. If you open Play Store, then you have to search for Instagram. If you search for Instagram, then you have to check whether your Instagram app is recently updated or not. If it is outdated, then first of all you have to update your Instagram app so that any error which occurs due to unknown error or bug can easily be resolved by Instagram update. In this way you can fix many errors related to Instagram by updating your Instagram app. Now there is second method which can be used for that fixing of that error, which is as for this you have to click on Instagram profile. After that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to click on settings. In settings you have to click on help. In help you will find report a problem. If you are finding any problem in Instagram, you can easily report that problem to Instagram team so that they can tell you any reasonable solution for that problem, as this may be due to unknown error or bug in the Instagram. If you report this problem to Instagram help team, then they will let you know the reasonable solution for that fix. Moreover, you can also attach a picture or take a screenshot of that error which can help Instagram team. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.